Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. We have an alien on today. Look at all his eyes. Oh, let's look for our words under his eyes. What did we find? Oh, we found a thin line. One line is thick and the other is thin. Thin. We found a thin line. Thin. Let's look for another one. What's under this eye? We found a thorn. Thorn. Bite your tongue and blow and say thorn. 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 We found a thorn. Let's look under this eye. This eye, there was a thick line. Thick. 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 We found a thick line. Let's look under this one. Oh, we found a thumb. A thumb. Look, I have a thumb too. A thumb. A thumb. We found a thumb. Let's look under this one. Oh, them. I like them. They are nice. Look at them. They are so cute. We found a thorn, a thick line, and a thin line. We found a thumb, and we found them. Bye-bye.
Yak Backpack. Yak Backpack.